6 o'clock in the morning. Tayo sa swimming lesson. Ako lang kasama here outside. Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph. So, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Pangit na ang angle ng camera kasi wala akong pagpapatungan. So sorry. And today, pupunta tayo sa swimming lesson ng mga bata. Medyo napaaga yung swimming lesson nila. Usually, weekends to, pero ginawa kong weekday kasi may errands ako ng weekends. And ayokong makamiss sila ng swimming lesson in a week kasi mahirap na. Pag nakamiss ka ng swimming lesson, tinatamad na sila. Lalo na ito. Just kidding. So,
And happy Banamika.
ano?
It's one
Ano ulit mo? Hindi ka na marinig.
It's Banamika today.
Okay. Yun, nagbuwan ng wika sila. So, ayun. The-drive muna ako. Bye!
So, hi guys. We're going to our swimming lesson. Sorry if my hand is a little bit shaky because the car is moving. We're here in the medical city. If you can see. And Mom is driving there. Mom, can I show my window? So there. But the medical city is at the back. At the back of those buildings. So our swimming lesson's 5:30.
5. Actually, we're late na.
Yeah. It's gonna be so late. It's already like 5:02.
So, nasa swimming lesson ng mga kids. Tapos, ako lang kasama nila ngayon. Wala si Daddy for kasi may work pa siya. Alright, we just finished swimming lesson for this week. We're about to go home na. Kasi nagluto si Dad ng nilagang baka. So tired. How was it?
It's good.
How about you? How was it?
Good. So guys, we're on the way to school. And I'm the cameraman for today's vlog. I don't know to her why.
Kasi paano ko, sinong magka-cameraman sa akin? Wala si Dad.
You can patong it here.
You cannot patong it. It's mahuhulog. Okay, so first quarter cards out nila ngayon. Makikita natin ang resulta ng pagsusunog nila ng kilay.
What does that mean?
Yung nag-aaral.
You're burning your eyebrows?
Oh, anong ibig sabihin kasi na parang kaka-aral. You're studying. Diba? Studying hard. Ganun ang meaning. Parang
Pagsusunog ng kilay, we're burning our eyebrows.
ako din kinakabahan eh. Actually, late na kami.
Yeah, it's already 9:24.
Ang assembly time is
7:30.
hindi ako
We're late for 1 hour, 2 hours, I don't know.
Mayroon pa kasing talk muna, tapos
Blah, 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 blah,
meeting,
blah, blah,
tapos
blah.
cards out na.
So nervous kayo.
Napuyat ako ang gabi kasi nag-edit ako ng videos.
I wanna come, but I'm nervous.
So, yun
I mean,
lang.
imagine mo, meron akong award, yung pink at yellow. Happy ka?
Of course.
I always have that naman eh.
Kaya nga. So, yun lang. We'll be back later. The-drive muna.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. So guys, it's yun na. Nagdadrive na si Mami. Tagal niya magkwentuhan. So, we're pauwi na. Umalis kami ng 9. Umuwi kami ng 12. Pa 12:30 na. I thought I left my phone. It's here pala.
Where's your phone?
It's here.
Oh, tapos, ang nangyari guys, si Joseph, ang pinakamababa sa card niya is the Filipino subject. Which is, aware naman kami, dahil hirap talaga siya sa Tagalog. Before pa namin makuha yung card niya, nasabihan na kami. Hindi naman siya mababa, pero mababa siya. So,
Yeah.
more on, we have to work on his Filipino words. Kailangan ko na siya. Though, before pa nito, wino-work na namin yung Filipino niya. Nagpi-Filipino lessons kami, word by word. Kaya, we're here outside. Biglaan lang kami lumabas kasi nabasag yung tempered glass ng phone ni Fawn. So,
I'm gonna...
sumama kami para lang makalabas ng bahay. Kasi, kanina, nag-fold ako ng clothes, nag-clean ako ng room. Tapos, tomorrow, mag-church na naman kami.
Hi guys, I'm playing Roblox. Oh. Oof. Bye-bye.
Pabili tayong chips kay Dad.
Wait.
Mamaya, sa tindahan. Tapos,
Midnight snack.
midnight snack. Doon sa kanto natin.
Oh! Then Roblox. I'm playing Abby.
Happy weekend!
Yes.
Happy weekend, Sefi!
Yeah.
Are you smart? No.
I'm gonna watch Parent Trap in Disney. You want to watch with us? Is it good?
Yeah. Very.
It's so good.
See, I told you.
I'm looking at your password, bro. It's 5 letters.
Wait, it's kind of hard.
I don't want to go down. I want to go inside.
I'm having hard.
Okay, just go here.
L is for the way you look at me.